Hello, in today's video I'm reviewing Fiskars StaySharp Max Reel Mower. This reel mower offers the best in-class cutting performance for superior mowing experience. StaySharp cutting system cuts the grass without the blades touching, so the mower is easier to push. Here you can adjust the VersaCut cutting capacity settings from 2.5 to 10 centimeters. Here you can adjust the handle height. With these two bolts right here, you adjust the blades to cut properly. For this mower you can also buy StaySharp Grass Catcher. So this reel mower promotes greener, healthier lawns by cutting each blade of grass cleanly with a scissors-like action. And the most common reason I hear why people buy this reel mower is because of its simple use and practicality, and because it lets you cut your grass without any noise. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.